If you're looking for the best website for online arbitrage sourcing for Amazon FBA USA, then stay tuned. I'm going to share with you my 5 top websites. I'll walk you through some deals that you can expect from them live on screen and give you some tips and tricks. Now, just a quick caveat, all of these websites are based off my own business and the lead service that we run, whereby we provide profitable products. And I've analyzed these over the last 12 months, and I'm going to share with you the top 5 right now in this video. So coming in at number 5 is going to be Ulta. Now, this is a beauty website where lots of people buy from, and they have lots of great deals. So right now you can see, I've just loaded up this, she's an e.l.f. Cosmetics product, and right now it's selling for $10. And if you jump over to the Amazon listing, you can see right here, it's going for about $19 on the listing. Not the highest price, but the one reason why I really like this deal is because look at the sales volume. This is selling 600 units per month, which is incredibly fast. Let's jump over to the profit calculator. Now, right now we're buying for 10, and actually we should be selling it for 19. So we're going to make about $2.25. ROI isn't particularly high, $22.90, but the one reason why I really like this is just the speed of sale. You could literally buy your products today, get them into Amazon next week, and have them sold by the week after. You're turning your money so quick, and I really like that. I just want to take a quick moment to say, if you're struggling to find profitable products, don't worry, this is completely normal. One of the most common reasons is the fact that you are not sourcing from the right suppliers, and that is why I've put together my top 100 supplier list, and I have one for the UK and another one for the USA. Have a look at the link down below in the description, and you're going to be able to download them for free and help you start sourcing from the same suppliers and the top 100 that worked for me over the past year. Check it out in the description down below. Now, coming in at number 4 is going to be one that we all know if we're going to try and get ungated, and that is going to be Target. Now, Target is a well-known store within the USA, and it has great deals all the time. For example, we found this product right now, which is on sale for just $4.99, and you can pick these up. And on Amazon, they are selling, and I'm going to show you right here, they're selling for $19.50, which is absolutely incredible. Let's jump over to the profit calculator. You can see $4.99 buy price, sell price $19.50. This is going to make you $7 profit, and ROI is a massive 145. That is absolutely game-changing. I love them. Do check them out, and obviously Target is really good. Now, coming in at number 3 is going to be the Webstrun store. Now, this is a website which is generally for catering suppliers, and you find lots of great deals. For example, right here, we've just found this stainless steel mixing bowl, which is when you buy lots of 12, you're going to get it $3.56. Now, if you jump over to the same listing onto Amazon, which is a 2-pack, now 2 of those is going to cost us $7.12, and we're going to be selling it for $19.57 or $19.62 actually, giving us a profit of $3.41, but ROI of nearly 50%. Absolutely love that. And it sells pretty fast. Look, 123. Great product. Love that. Find lots and lots of deals for this product. If you've just started selling on Amazon and you're needing more support, check out the Fast Track FBA's Top Seller Program. This is a 6-week package that I put together to support you with training material to get you to exactly where you need to be to making a profitable Amazon store, all in just 2 hours per day, Monday to Friday. Not only that, we also have 2 sessions a week where my team are going to be live on calls with you, answering your questions and anything you've got. And I'm going to be live once per week supporting you in regards to your questions as well. Check it out today, Top Seller Program. I think you'll love it. And it's just a monthly fee, which is very low cost that's going to help you out. Coming in at number 2 is my personal favorite because of my childhood, is Player's Choice. This is video games that they offer, and they have a wide range of video games, the latest ones and also some older video games as well. You can find some great deals. We've certainly spent tens of thousands on this supplier before in the past. This product right here, My Sims, you can see on the Wii, is going for $19.49, and then coming in onto Amazon, it's selling for $34.46. If I put a calculator, $19.49, you can see $34.46. Profit is going to be $4.69. I like that. ROI not particularly high at 25, but these kind of deals, a lot of them can be end of life, and what you can do is actually hold on to them, and the prices will go up, and obviously you'll get a better ROI. But I absolutely love that. I've bought many products in here and also thought about my childhood as well. Coming in at number 1 is the big well-known store that we all know on the reselling space is going to be Walmart. Now, Walmart is an absolutely amazing site. They always have deals coming on and lots of different opportunities because it is huge, and they focus on value for money. So right here, we've got this Blackstone Tequila Lime Seasoning. It's going for $5.47, which is a very popular product and obviously something that people are going to buy all the time, so you can replenish this product. So right now we're on the Amazon listing, and you can see here that it's going for $20.99. Now, this is a 2-pack, not a 1-pack, so I've doubled the price here. We're going to be making $2.36, not huge. ROI 20%, again, not huge, but what I am interested in is products like these, whereby they are selling 50 units per month, 100, 200 units per month. You can just keep buying them and selling them. It's going to be like the replenishable models. It just changes the game for you. So helpful. All of these suppliers don't just take the prices you currently see. Do make sure you combine them with cashback websites. Top Cashback is a really good example. Rakuten is another good example. You can even use cashback credit cards like Amex, all the Chase cards that are going to help you, gift codes or voucher codes that are going to help you. And then on top of that, if you're really playing the game to a higher level, think about coupon cards, discount cards, like Discount Wiki can help you out to understand that actually you can buy $100, $200 of Walmart credit for only $190. This is going to save you cash and mean that these products are far more profitable. If you liked that, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and hey, check out the videos around here. I'll share one more video that I think is going to really like, and make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. But for myself, Thomas Parkinson, and Fast Track FBA, thank you very much.